This is just making sense. I can't even lie to you. It's making absolute sense. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Like, comment and subscribe. Today we have another hair video. I have extension. This is new to me, okay? I have extension pieces, like the actual clip-in extensions, and this is like the first time that I've ever put these in my head. So, you know, take time. We're gonna take time, but really and truly, like, I feel like this is gonna be like the go-to look, because I feel like, I don't know, it's just easier. Like, I can tie my hair up, this, that, the other. Like, we'll see. We're gonna style it today as well. I'm gonna like get right into it. The hair was sent by Curlsqueen. I'm sure you guys can see that. Curlsqueen. And I was thinking, should I get the curly hair clip-in extensions? And I thought, do I even have curly hair at this point? Like, to even give you guys a background, I've done like keratin treatment on my hair. So like, my hair's just straight. Like, it's been straight. So when I first did the treatment, it was like still curly, all that stuff there. And then like over time, you know, your hair will just go straight. So yeah, that's what happened to my hair. So no curly clip-ins for me. I mean, I could do the whole tight curl and then try and blend it in and stuff like that, but it's long. It's light Yaki silk press seamless Weft clip-ins, and they're 18 inches. I did want to get possibly 16 inches, only because I just wanted like a more like a natural but a bit more full look. I don't know, I thought 18, I'll have a little bit of length, but I feel like, you know, it's a bit long, but it's okay. It's okay. It will still look nice. Obviously, like, you know, I can't say no to long hair. Yeah. So at the end of the day, I'm happy. I just wanted something different, but you know, when you're so close to getting something different, and it just never happens. That was this. Anyways, so I'm going to show you guys what they sent me. So here's a little pouch. I've got a nice little brush. I'll be using this. And then a little, a silk bonnet. Can't wait to use this. I guess some extra clip-ins. Clip. What do you call them? The clips, some extra clips. And finally we have the extensions in a little extension bag. As I said, this is very new to me. How are we gonna do this? I feel like this is going to be the longest piece, and I'm going to just measure it to see, because I feel like my headpiece is too small for this. Yeah, so I think for me, I'll just do it bit by bit. I'm not going to like cut it up or anything. They do have small pieces as well. So here's a small piece. I think I'm going to put this part to the back. So I'm literally just going to section off my hair first, layer for the back of my headpiece. So I do want like a ponytail, so I'm not gonna put it too low. How it looks, but y'all will see. Open up the clips. Okay, and we're placing this at the back.
She want a fear, fuck it and I win it, I up on stallion. Homie kinda fitting why I can't stop clear. Only fun I come in why I crystal clear. I don't you feet don't stop clear. Only time I want it, I fist clear. Come it, I want it, I beast up here. Homie, I come in, I crystal clear. I don't you be it too, all it too, feel it too, jag it too, buy it too, feel it too. Wanna crystal clear, you know. Shorty, back at the days, free talent, I wanna kiss in the bird.
just put in the 2 clip piece one. We're gonna try blend this in a bit more and style it.
She say she got the set matching lingerie. She say, can you up the pace? Oh, say less, girl, I'm on the way. Ring, ring, I'm at your door. Shawty don't play games, no, don't ignore. I'ma always spin back, don't fight the force. What's mine is yours, come to my decor. But for right now, I need you to bust it down right now. Can we get jiggy with the lights out? She make it clap, got the right sound. She play genuine when she won't get in the mood. Girl, do what you do, as long as you're comfortable. Yeah, I'ma attend. If you want your back broke, Woody, I'ma lend. When she arch and bend, I'ma proceed with the right intention. Yeah, I'ma attend. If you want your back broke, Woody, I'ma lend. When she arch and bend.
Okay guys, so I finished curling my hair after an hour or so. I don't even know how long it took, but I am hot and bothered. I think I sweated out the whole front of my hair and I just can't be asked to re-straighten it. So yeah, if it looks a bit fuzzy, it is what it is, you know, it's natural, literally. So that's it. Okay, I'm gonna brush it out now and we're gonna see how it looks. So I just want like the full effect. Yeah, I'm really sweating out. So we got the gummy, and literally sometimes I use this with the got to be glue, and then I put it on top just so that it stays down, you know, sweaty days.
My temperature go down. Get your body temp. The way your body wine go down. My temperature go down. Get your body temp. Cause I hustle for you, girl, that's loud and clear. Cause I hustle for you, girl, that's why you're here. If I no hustle, she would not be standing here in front of me, here, loving me.
Okay, style number 2.
Let me introduce myself, my name is Says a million, the girl them know me come farmer. No, I be the girl them sugar. Girl them back up now me hard, you know. Yeah, I know say them and be my life, cause I got 10 different styles, I know. The girl them dance to my rhythm and blues, I know. So make a clear you, I see be. Somebody pray for me. No for the girl undress for me. No girl them all over me. I don't know why they want to go by me. Somebody pray for me, not for the girl and dress for me. I know say nobody go fi stop my wave. I mean I care what about myself.
Hey, remember couldn't get a 20 from my mom. Now I drive 20 on the lap cause I'm on. I feel the love when I'm riding through the city, but I see him looking at me, pray the bullets don't hit me from the side. Yeah, but legends never die, you know. Yeah, good weed in my lungs, you know where I'm at. Straight from the slums and I can't go back. No, I won't go back. No, I keep on roll for my dead homies. Okay,
So that is the end of the video. So I did 4 styles basically, middle part in, side part in, 2 bangs, ponytail, and just a normal ponytail. And yeah, I really love this. So like, it's a very just easy go-to if your hair's like already like straight, and also if you get like the straight clip-ins, just to elongate, add some more volume. You know, I did want to add more pieces, but I wasn't sure on the positioning. But you know, we live and we learn. There's always a next time. But yeah, for now, this is really like, I'm really loving this. So yeah, I mean, thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. You got something that I'm interested in. Just